Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Horizon Zero Dawn game on your PC or laptop. So guys, the process was very simple. You just need to follow the steps. So first you have to open up your any browser and open up the Steam website and just click on the login option you are seeing on the right hand top. So now here you just need to sign into your account, and if you don't have an account then just simply create one by clicking on this create an account option. Then just simply click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top, and now here just simply click on the install Steam. Then it will start downloading the setup. Just open the setup and just install into your PC. So guys, once you install it, just open up your Steam and simply sign into your account. Now here you just need to just set for the Horizon Zero Dawn game, and this game will show on the top. So you just need to click on that game, and now here you just need to scroll down and you will see the option of add to cart. So you have to just pay the $50 to download this game. Obviously this game is not free. So once you click on that, here you just need to click on the view my cart. And guys, from here you just need to remove another game, and if you want to download this game then just click on the continue to payment. Now here just simply pay with your PayPal or any other cards you have. So once you pay the amount, just click on the library option and this game will add it to your library. So now here on the left hand side you will see the Horizon Zero Dawn game like this one. So you just need to click on that. You will see the option to install it. Click on the install, then it will start downloading and installing into your PC. Guys, this is how you can download and install the Horizon Zero Dawn game on your PC. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me. And I will see you guys in the next video.